it up. Break it up.
Oh. I think you just broke my ear.
Ow!
I think you just broke my ear.
Shut up. Shut up.
Push her off the bed.
Stop it.
Come.
What are you doing?
What do you think this is?
Alright. What? Why?
Don't touch
right
me
there.
ever again.
Yeah, someone's coming. I
No.
can hear footsteps. Dominic, get off me. This is awkward.
Oh my head.
Stop. My hand doesn't want to hold yours.
Shit. My hand wants to hold Boomer's.
Oh shit. This is a close one. Can you stop?
I don't know what you think this is. It's not time.
I don't know what you think this is.
Really
But
hard.
it's bedtime.
Dude, but if I was just like sleeping, you gotta say a joke.
You know what?
It is bedtime.
I don't know what you're doing, but it's bedtime.
Now, and what if I just like grabbed your hand and I was just like,
Don't
give me your
touch me.
hand.
Don't me your hand. I want my hand.
Me. I was like, I don't know what you think this is, but
No,
it's bedtime.
You're probably like, don't touch me.
What are you trying to do? Get us in
No,
trouble?
no.
What are you doing?
Shut up, you idiot.
Both
God,
idiots.
I don't know who you think you are. But you're definitely not someone that's allowed to laugh.
Sarah, you need to calm your voice. Because you know, it's going to get us all in trouble.
Clear.
You turn on your light, idiot.
Oh. You can turn hers on? I think so. No.
Probably not.
I don't think so.
Well, probably get
God, it's really hot in here.
No, it's not this fan.
Shut up, it's not even helping. These covers are freaking like
They really do it.
15 pounds. God. Can you stop sitting on my pillow?
Why is there a pillow there?
It's really gross.
Oh my god. You're such a fucking liar. I hear her talking.
Maybe it's TV.
You think this is a science channel? You think this is Fear Night? Shut up. Listen to me. Listen to me, Sarah. Shut up. I mean, I'm not thorough.
Guys, I can't breathe.
Sarah, I'm about to shove
You
a
hear
pillow.
Jesus?
Sarah, I'm about to shove a pillow down your throat.
Okay.
Stuff your head in a pillow if you're gonna laugh like
Hey,
that.
did you hear what she said? She was like this.
This is a science channel. What do you think this is? Fear Night?
Alright. Guys, take it down 3 notches and 5 quarters. Is that possible? 5 quarters? Like, what's possible? That was at the end. God, I want to be at the end. I don't want to be at the end.
Shut up. I want to be over here. Go, Papa. I just hurt my lip. Go, Papa. I hurt my lip.
I
like
like
there's no
spot.
one coming. I hurt my lip.
My spot
Oh, it is on my lip. glad I tell you this plan.
Ew!
Makes me slap a little bit.
Tom, can you push that button on the camera? Please? Push the button, like where you take pictures from.